Today, we're going to look at the Korg nanoKONTROL Studio and nanoKONTROL2 MIDI control surfaces and how they integrate with the MixPre. Both surfaces have transport controls for record, play, stop, rewind, and fast forward. You can also solo, mute, and arm all channels of the MixPre. The nanoKONTROL Studio has an assignable scroll wheel for value encoding and track scrubbing. Each channel features a single fader and a rotary knob that can be automated to control trim, pan, and low cut. On the nanoKONTROL Studio, simply press the scene button to cycle the knob between the three functions. On the nanoKONTROL2, we'll need to change the knob function by going to Menu, Shortcuts, Control Surface. On the MixPre 3, the knob function can be found under Menu, Control Surface. The Control Surface submenu also allows us to create shortcuts by pressing multiple buttons on the controller. Go to Menu, Shortcuts, Control Surface, and choose your shortcut. For the nanoKONTROL Studio, press the cycle button to enter cycle mode. The shortcuts we have assigned are now active. On the nanoKONTROL2, hold the cycle button and the assigned button to activate the shortcut function. The channel screen can be accessed on the nanoKONTROL Studio by pressing the Select button. In music mode, we can use the track left and track right arrows to select a group of tracks. In cycle mode, press Select to view the track screen. Pressing Select with Cycle Off will monitor the track. You'll also notice that the low cut knob has been changed to control reverb. To view channels on the nanoKONTROL2, hold Cycle and press the Solo button of the channel. In music mode, view channel screens 5 through 12 by using the track left and track right arrows to select a track grouping. Press Cycle and Solo to view a track screen. Press Cycle and Mute to monitor the track. You'll also notice that the low cut knob has been changed to control reverb. This has been a quick look at the Korg nanoKONTROL2 and the nanoKONTROL Studio. These surfaces add great workflow options and functions when used with the MixPre. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon for more video tutorials.